Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Seperti biasa, kita ni akan memulakan sesi pembelajaran kita ni dengan berselawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Terlebih dahulu, kita ni membaca 3 niat penting ini. Yang pertama, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Yang kedua, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah SAW. Dan yang ketiga, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah SAW di akhirat kelak. Semoga dengan berselawat, Allah akan membukakan hati dan minda para pelajar untuk menerima ilmu dan memanfaatkan ilmu tersebut di masa akan datang. Disarankan kepada semua pelajar untuk membaca doa di dalam hati selama 2 minit berselawat. Doa untuk kedua orang tua, keluarga, diri sendiri dan apa saja doa yang ingin para pelajar sampaikan. Okay? 2 minutes from now.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد 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 اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmatmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmatmu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, 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 ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about perimeter and area of polygons. So, can you please get ready with your notes, page 87 until 88, and your worksheet, page 84 until 85. Learning objectives. By the end of this session, students should be able to add all sides of the polygon to find the perimeter. Second, they should be able to split the polygon into basic shape, such as triangle and rectangle, to find the area. And they should be able to solve problems that involve calculating the perimeter and area of polygon. Steps to success: how students achieve learning objectives. First, find values for all sides and add them all to find the perimeter of the polygon. Second, split the polygon into basic shape and apply the formula to find the area of respective shapes. Then add them all to get the area of the polygon. And lastly, interpret and solve problems that involve calculating the perimeter and area of the polygon. Example 21. The diagram shows a floor plan. Calculate the area. Okay, previously we call it composite figure in your primary level. Okay, and you already learned about finding the area of composite figure like this in your primary level. But in our level, we call it polygon. Okay, and polygon is actually an enclosed shape. When you see here, we have lots of lengths here. Enclosed mean close, lengths, join all together, the lengths, and that is what we call as polygon. Okay, and let us discuss the working. For this part, you can actually split the polygon into two basic shape here. We have A and we have B, and both of these shapes are rectangles, and we need to find the area of these respective shapes. Okay, by applying your area of rectangle length time breadth. Okay, and here I will show you two methods. And before that, we know that both of these opposite lengths are equal. So when here is 6 and here should be 6 and here should be 5. Okay, and we already have all of the lengths needed, so we can proceed with the area. Okay, for your method 1, you can do like this. Area equal to area of floor plan equal to 5 times 3, this one for A, plus 10 times 6 for the area of part B. Okay, shape B. Alright, then 15 plus 60, and the answer is 75 square meter. Or if you cannot do like this, you can do step by step, one by one. This will be your method 2. First, you find the area of A first. 5 times 3 will give you 15 square meter. And then you find the area of B. 10 times 6 equal to 60 square meter. And then you add them all. Area of floor plan equal to 15 plus 60. And you will get the same answer, 75 square meter. Therefore, the final answer for these questions will be 75. Okay. Next, example 22. In the figure, D and E are squares and F is a right angle triangle. The areas of D and E are 16 square centimeter and 36 square centimeter respectively. Means here, the area of D is 16 square centimeter and area of E is 36 square centimeter. Okay, and what is the area of F? Now, we don't have any lengths given here. We only given the area, and we can use this area to find the lengths in order to find the area of F. Okay, now both of these shapes, D and E, are squares. So the formula of area of square is L squared, correct? And how to get the length from this area? Length equal to square root 16. You should know by now how I got square root 16. And length equal to 4 centimeter. And for your E, repeat the same thing. L equal to square root 36, and the answer is 6 centimeter. And now we already have the base and the height for the F. Then we can proceed with finding the area of F. Triangle F. And area of F, it is a triangle, so the formula is half time base time height. Half time base is 6, height is 4 times 4, and the answer is 12 square centimeter. So your final answer for example 22 is 12 square centimeter. Moving on with example 23, calculate the area of the shape below. We can split this shape into basic shape that you know. Like here, we split into triangle and rectangle. And we mark them as A and B. And we know that both of these opposite lengths are equal. Therefore, when here is 6, here also 6. Okay? And we need to find the area of A and area of B. And then we need to add both of them to get the area of the shape. Okay? Now, area of A equal to half times base times height. So, half times 6 times 5. So, 15 square centimeter. Area of B, length times breadth. So, length equal to 8. And breadth equal to 6. And the answer is 48 square centimeter. Add both of them. Therefore, area of shape equal to 15 plus 48. And the final answer is 63 square centimeter. Okay, so far so good. If you still confused about this topic, you can text and ask. Okay. Okay, last example, example 24. Shown is the plan of a small field. Thomas is going to keep some chickens in the field. Each chicken needs 5 square meter. Work out the greatest number of chickens Thomas can keep in the field. Okay. In this kind of problem, we need to find the area of this field. Okay. Still, we apply the same method. We split this shape into basic shape that you know. Here we split it into trapezium and rectangle and mark them A and B. Okay, we need to find the area first, then we divide with 5. Then we know how many chickens that can keep in the field. Okay, and from here, we know that both of these opposite lengths are equal. Therefore, the answer here is 14. And both of these opposite lengths are equal. Therefore, the answer is 11. And here should be 7. Okay, so here we have all of the lengths needed already. We proceed by finding the area of A first. Area of A is a trapezium, so apply the formula of trapezium. Half times A bracket A plus B times height. So half times 14 plus 20 times 7. Half times 34 times 7. And the answer is 119 square meter. Okay. And then proceed with area of B. Area of B is a rectangle, so apply the formula of rectangle, length times breadth. So 14 times 11, the answer is 154 square meter. So far so good. Everyone's follow. Okay. Don't stop up to there. You need to add both of these areas to get the area of the field like this. Okay. Total area of the field equal to 119 plus 154, and the answer is 273 square meter. This will not be your final answer because the question asks you work out the greatest number of chicken that Thomas can keep in the field. each chicken needs 5 square meter. So, how to get the greatest number of chicken? We need to divide the area of the field with 5. Okay. Then you will get 54.6. You will get 54.6. Now, for this one, means here we can keep 54 chickens only. Okay, we only can keep 54 chickens. Okay, if you're confused about this one, let's say, if you're confused, why don't we round up? Okay, if you round up, that means the chicken will become 55, correct? If you round up and the chicken become 55, you need extra space on that field to fit that one chicken. Okay, that is how here we take only 54. If you have decimal answer like this in other questions, so just take the whole number 54. Okay, so you have a little extra for your fill. Okay, and the answer for this question will be 54 chickens. Okay, so far so good. If you're still confused about this one for the final answer, you can text and ask. Alright, so this will be the last part of area and perimeter of polygon. Please complete your notes and your worksheet. And as usual, we will end our lesson by reciting doa. Thank you so much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.